Let's hear another message from Natalia Gwinnett Atienza of Kinder 2B.
Mamaya, ayaw ko tusok. Ayaw ko baba.
Go!
Ladies and gentlemen, respected faculty, proud parents, and fellow graduates. As I stand before you today, my heart is filled with gratitude and excitement. I am Natalia Gwinnett Atienza, privileged to have journeyed alongside you in Kindergarten 2B. Do you remember our first day of kindergarten? The nervous excitement, the curious glances, and the thrill in our hearts? It feels like just yesterday when we began this adventure, dreams twinkling in our eyes. Throughout finger paints, alphabet songs, and playground adventures, we've learned more than just letters and numbers. We've discovered the essence of friendship, kindness, resilience, and the power of imagination. Each crayon stroke became a masterpiece. Each shared story, a treasure, and every challenge, an opportunity for victory. Today, as we stand on the edge of a new chapter, let's remember one simple truth: the power of believing in ourselves. Each of us is a unique spark of potential, capable of making our mark in the world. As we step into the unknown of elementary school, let's carry this truth with us. Let's embrace every opportunity with courage and curiosity, knowing that we're capable of achieving greatness. Let's view setbacks as stepping stones on the path to success, understanding that failure is not a destination, but a detour. Above all, let's express our gratitude to our Teacher Heisen, for her unwavering dedication, and to our parents, our biggest supporters and fans. So, my dear friends, as we bid farewell to kindergarten, let's set sail for a new horizons, with heads held high and hearts beating with hope, for we are the class of 2024, and the world awaits our brilliance, and I thank you.
Thank you, Gwen, for your touching message. Let's hear another message from Ramesses Nigel P.